Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare algae oil versus avocado oil. We will explore their distinct nutritional profiles, culinary applications, and health benefits. Understanding these differences will help you choose the best oil for your specific needs, whether for cooking, supplements, or overall wellness. Let's dive into the details of each oil to see how they stack up. Algae oil is celebrated for its high concentration of DHA, a crucial omega-3 fatty acid. It offers a fantastic plant-based option for those seeking omega-3 benefits without consuming animal products. This oil is known to support cognitive function, promote heart health, and help manage inflammatory responses throughout the body. It's a powerful addition to many diets. Avocado oil stands out with its impressive smoke point, making it perfect for searing, frying, and roasting at high temperatures. It's packed with beneficial monounsaturated fats, contributing to cardiovascular wellness. Additionally, avocado oil provides a good amount of vitamin E and other antioxidants, supporting overall cellular health. It's a versatile and nutritious kitchen staple. When deciding between these two, consider your primary goal. If you prioritize omega-3 fatty acids and a vegan source, algae oil is your choice. For high-heat cooking and a versatile, heart-healthy option, avocado oil is excellent. Both offer unique advantages, so choose what best fits your lifestyle. Musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, among other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.